I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a little clutch style purse for 1/6 scale dolls, so that'll be like Barbie, Momoko, Disney princesses, Queens of Africa, those kinds of dolls. Before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com to download this free printable sewing pattern. There's a link in the description below on this YouTube video. Use the pattern to cut out all the pieces shown. You'll also need a length of Offray ribbon, or you could use a piece of fabric for the strap. But you'll find ribbon is the easiest to work with. The pattern does come with a strap measurement. To make it from fabric, I recommend that you cut it 2 centimeters wide and then match the length. Fold the fabric so the raw edges fold in, and then fold the whole thing in half again. Whip stitch along the edge of the strap. Now, lay the flap across the outer casing and do the same with the purse's lining fabric, but with the lining fabric I'm going to keep my right sides together. Of course, it matters in that case. Stitch across the top where the 2 pieces meet. Do this for both the outer casing and your lining. Extend the flap back and then press the seam. Set the lining over the top of the outer fabric, again keeping your right sides together. Stitch from the sides to the very point of the flap. Then sew along the bottom of this piece. We won't be sewing along the sides just yet. Cut a dip in the point and clip the flap's edges. You can also clip the bottom. You'll see me doing that here. Invert the clutch purse like you see me doing in this next video. I like to use a chopstick to get the point real tight. Press the seams to flatten them. Fold the strap in half. You may have a cloth strap. Again, you'll want to fold it in half. Line your strap up with the edge of the purse, but you'll want to baste it to the lining's fabric only. And that'll be at the pointed end of the purse. Insert your fingers in between the fabric and sew just 1 snap to the flat seam's edge. This is on the outer fabric. Sew the other snap to the pointed flap, but here you want it on the lining side of the purse. Fold your purse in half like this. Notice that my lining fabric is on the outside. Stitch along both sides of the purse. Clip the corners and invert the purse. Snap the purse closed, and now your doll is ready to go shopping. For more free printable sewing patterns, for making doll clothes, sewing doll clothes to fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, remember to visit shelleywood.com. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and free patterns, please share them on your favorite social media platforms. It actually helps my website grow if you help spread the word. Goodbye.